To use Plaid with Wells Fargo, you will need to follow a series of steps. First, ensure you have a Wells Fargo account and access to the Plaid platform. Plaid is a financial technology company that allows users to link bank accounts and other financial institutions to various applications. Begin by going to the Plaid website or the application that uses Plaid for banking connections, such as a budgeting or investment app. Click on the link or button to add a bank account. Then search for Wells Fargo in the list of supported banks. Select Wells Fargo and you will be redirected to a Wells Fargo login page. Enter your Wells Fargo username and password to authenticate your account. You may be asked to verify your identity through a security question or a one-time password sent to your phone or email. After successful authentication, you will be asked to authorize Plaid to access your account information. You will see a list of accounts linked to your Wells Fargo login, such as checking and savings accounts. Select the accounts you want to link to Plaid and choose the level of access you want to grant. This may include viewing account balances, transaction history, and other account information. Once you have selected the accounts and authorized access, you will be redirected back to the Plaid platform or the application you are using. Your Wells Fargo account information will now be linked to Plaid, allowing you to use the connected application. It is essential to note that Plaid uses encryption and secure connections to protect your account information. However, it is still crucial to monitor your account activity regularly and report any suspicious transactions to Wells Fargo. To get the most out of using Plaid with Wells Fargo, make sure to review the terms and conditions of the connected application and understand how your account information will be used. Additionally, keep your login credentials secure and do not share them with anyone. By following these steps and best practices, you can securely and efficiently use Plaid with your Wells Fargo account, taking advantage of the various financial tools and services available.